Hey everyone, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Today we are going to make a delightful vegan strawberry cake with white chocolate cream and berry jam. It is perfect for any occasion and it's completely plant-based. So let's get started. Let's start by preparing our cake tins. Using pastry brush, grease cake tin in center and onto the sides. Then line it with parchment paper and lightly grease it. Prepare all 3 tins like this and keep aside. In a large mixing bowl, sift whole wheat flour. When halfway through, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and sift again. Lightly mix so that baking powder and salt is well distributed in flour, then keep aside. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl of vegan yogurt, mix well and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes till it bubbles. In a large bowl, add 200 grams of brown sugar and 200 ml of plant-based oil. Using hand blender, mix at low speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then increase speed to medium-high speed and mix until combined. Add yogurt and mix on medium speed till it is smooth and creamy in texture. This looks good. Add sifted flour and then add half of almond milk and beat on medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add remaining almond milk. Mix for 3 to 4 minutes on high speed. Cake batter will start to come together and will be lighter in texture. Scrape the sides and mix unused flour in batter if there is any. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Beat on low speed until combined. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overmix. Once combined, check for dropping consistency. Let's check. It's almost there. I will add 2 tablespoons of milk, then mix briefly until just combined. Don't overmix at this stage. Consistency is perfect. It's dropping like ribbons. That's what we are looking for. Our vegan cake batter is ready. Divide it evenly. That is 400 grams of cake batter between 3 greased and 6-inch round pans. Tap on platform to release any air bubbles. Pop these into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's check. Cakes have baked really well and has come to the room temperature. Carefully remove parchment paper and keep it on a wire rack to cool them down further. In order to layer them, we need to remove a thin layer of cake from top. So using a serrated knife, carefully remove a thin layer. Repeat with all cakes and keep aside. Now let's make decadent filling for our delicious strawberry cake, starting with berry jam. In a saucepan, add frozen mixed berries, then add 1/4 cup of sugar. Cook on medium heat till sugar dissolves and it starts to bubble. Give a good stir and continue to cook till it thickens. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, then mix well. Cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat and strain to get berry jam. This is an important step as straining will ensure that jam is seedless and very smooth. In a microwave safe bowl, melt 200 grams of vegan white chocolate chips with 60 grams of vegan butter in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. In another bowl, beat 250 grams of vegan cream cheese for 2 minutes till it softens. Then add chocolate mixture and beat on low-medium speed until combined. Make sure cream cheese is at room temperature. Add remaining chocolate mix and beat further for 2 minutes until creamy. Then add 1 teaspoon of lemon extract and mix until well combined. Lemon flavor cuts through the sweetness of chocolate and gives a citrus zing to the cream cheese filling. Let's assemble our cake now. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate and spread a layer of berry jam on top, followed by a generous layer of a white chocolate cream on top. Using a palette knife, spread it evenly. Carefully place the second cake layer on top. Repeat with jam and chocolate creams. Using palette knife, spread it evenly. This looks absolutely delicious. Then add chopped fresh strawberries on top and cover it with the final layer of cake. Frost the entire cake with remaining chocolate cream. Keep it in fridge for 30 minutes till chocolate cream sets. While our cake is cooling, let's make our whipped cream for topping. Whip together 250 ml of oat whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Then pipe or spread the oat whipping cream around the edges and using cake scraper, smoothen the sides of cake. Put a second layer of oat cream on the sides and repeat the process of smoothing it out using a scraper. Add prepared jam on top and blend it with oat cream to give it a light pink color. Spread remaining whipped cream on the sides, giving 2 color tones to our vegan cake. Using a cake comb, make a simple design on cake. Finally, decorate it with fresh strawberries to add a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, our vegan strawberry cake with white chocolate cream and berry jam. Indulge in the mouth-watering delight of a vegan strawberry cake with white chocolate cream and berry jam. With every bite, you will taste the perfect blend of fresh strawberries, creamy and citrusy filling, delicious frosting, and tangy jam. It's a treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings and leave you craving for more. Treat yourself to a slice today and experience the simple joy of homemade goodness, and best part, it's completely plant-based. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Until next time, happy baking.